Happy Family Locator Agent. House for rent, 8,500 pesos monthly up and down with 2 bedrooms in Bacoor City, Cavite. 1 month advance and 2 months deposit only. Correct details only and still open for negotiation of fund transaction. At dahil po locator agent tayo ng mga house for rent, marami pa po tayong available na mga apartment and house for rent, pati commercial space. Meron din tayong available at kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, ito yung 8,500 pesos monthly sa Bacoor City, Cavite. Up and down with 2 bedroom, fully tiles ang kanyang flooring sa ground floor. Ito naman yung 2 kwarto, may sariling metro ng kuryente, may sariling metro ng tubig. Yes kids, yes pets allowed, street parking only. At alam nyo po ba na marami pa kaming available units, house for rent, apartment, and commercial space? Ito naman yung kusina ng pinapaupahang bahay. Malapit po ito sa highway, sa school, sa hospital, sa mga church, sa palengke, lahat-lahat, etc. Para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, house for rent po, 8,500 pesos monthly in Bacoor City, Cavite. Up and down with 2 bedroom. Ito naman yung kanyang banyo. And once again, maraming salamat po sa panonood at sana nagustuhan nyo ang video na to. Thank you po.